how can you get out of trading time for money? Done for you is a model that you could do. So we work with our students inside of Activate. We teach them how to create an online course, but we also teach them a bunch of different ways. So like some of our students have come out of Activate and they now have like an agency model where they're doing bookkeeping for people, and they've created this like 6-figure bookkeeping model, doing this working 10 hours a week. He has the team and the structure in place where she can do that. Some of our students come in and they're creating, an online course where they're able to sell that, or they're creating a group coaching model. So I want you to think, how can you package your service in a way where it doesn't necessarily require a ton of your time and effort? And how are you helping people currently? Is there a way that you could package this? So Russell Brunson talks a lot about how you can sell essentially the same framework, but maybe it's coming in a different package. He might have an online course or an online training where he teaches the same concepts that are in the book, but maybe it's more in depth in the course than it is in the book. But then he doesn't, but he could offer like a private coaching model where he takes what's in the book, but then he teaches it for people that want to go faster and they want to work with the expert. So it's basically the same framework, the same idea, but you're just packaging it in a different way.